Hello everyone, this is C Hacker, and today I'm going to show you how to create multiple cursors within Visual Studio Code. It's very simple. So let's say, for example, that I want to insert a paragraph tag after this statement, before this statement, and after this second statement. So we want to create three paragraph tags, essentially sandwiching these two. Well, we could do that, by pressing enter here, create a paragraph, and then we could copy the tags and whatever. You get it. um, but there's a simpler way, and that is that you simply have to hold down the alt key to create multiple cursors. So let's say I want one after here, after here, and after here. So hold down alt and then click wherever you want another cursor, and you can do as many as you want. And you can see we have three blinking cursors. So then they all work simultaneously. I can hit enter, I can start writing a paragraph tag, and I can say whatever I want, and it will all be, in sync. So very cool, very easy. Once again, you just hold the alt key and click, and you can do that just really wherever you want. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, peace.